everyone, welcome back to another moving house vlog. Today's is a really exciting one because we are going to be doing a bit of decorating. We're going to be putting loads of stuff up on the walls and we're kind of focusing on the living room today. We're going to try and make it look a lot more homely because at the moment it is quite bare, so I'm really excited. We've got a load of prints that we're going to put up on the walls. I'm going to be making like a little gallery wall thing, and we've got some shelves going up. So yeah, I just want to point out that this video is in collaboration with Desenio, and I have to tell you the story though, this is really creepy. So basically my mum ordered some prints off of Desenio and they arrived quite recently and I absolutely loved them, so I was instantly like, right, I'm going to order some off of there for myself. So I made a big order, and then, not even kidding, it wasn't even 24 hours okay, not even 24 hours later, I got a message asking if I wanted to work with Desenio. And I was like, I literally just made a massive order with them. So of course I was gonna say yes because I already had a load of prints on their way, and today we're gonna be putting them up. So before I go down and we get started, I just wanna say that Desenio have kindly given you guys a discount code. So if you use the code Sophie Louise, I'll leave it on the screen here, you'll get 25% off any posters, and that's on all of their sites from the 7th to the 9th of August. So the code lasts for 2 days, so make sure you go and get your posters. If you want some, you get 25% off. Trust me, that there are so many to choose on there. There are absolutely loads of them, but I really love the ones that I've picked. I think you guys are going to really like the ones I've picked as well, so let's crack on.
Hello.
Hello there. This is the wall that we're going to be decorating. I just thought it was the perfect space to make a little gallery wall. So yeah, God, it's hot today, isn't it? It's a really nice day. Excuse the garden. It's not a garden yet, but it is boiling today. Absolutely proper summer's day. And yeah, should we get them out? You just look like some legs.
I am.
Oh. Bye.
That's off.
See ya. Okay, so the first thing we've got is a load of their frames, because you can get frames to fit the posters on their website as well, and I went for a load of the white frames because I just thought white would look best with the posters I've gone for, and obviously the room is quite white. Oh my goodness, look how big the bottom one is.
It is big.
It's huge. Ah! Okay, so these are the actual posters. They come in this little tube all rolled up to keep them safe and protect them. So I am just going to open it up. Thank you from us to you, filled with love. Share your wall art with us so we can find you. Hashtag Desenio. That is really satisfying. I wish there were more. I love things like that. Okay, so I've just had a quick look at the posters. They're looking super cute, but it's kind of hard to show you them until they're actually in the frames. So that is the next step. We're going to put them all in the frames and then I can show you them properly. So we've now put all of the prints in their frames and they're looking super cute, so I thought I would show you them before they go up on the wall. So the first one I went for is this little fella here. It's like a pastel pink background, and then we've got the palm trees on the bottom there, because I've kind of gone for like a beachy seaside kind of theme. Apart from that one that you can see behind, that's going in a different room, so it's not going to match these ones, but the living room is kind of a beachy theme. So we've got this one. And then I've also got, I love this one. This has got a little quote on it. I had to go for a little quote, and it links to the seaside theme because it's got the word waves in it and the word surf in it. And then I also picked two of these pastel kind of seaside beach thingies. There we go. It's another one with the sea and the sky, but it's like a slightly different angle, if you know what I mean. It's like a slightly different angle of the sea. And then the last one, which is the huge one, I can't even pick it up, it's too big, so you'll have to wait until the finished result to see the big boy, but it's super cute. So yeah, we now need to put them on the wall in a nice arrangement, and let's do it. So the prints are now on the wall and I think they look so cute. They're exactly what I wanted, exactly how I imagined them, and I just love them. I love that they're really pastel coloured. They're just quite like neutral, but they go with the room so well. Alex did an amazing job of putting them up. Well done, mate. You did a good job. Look, I'm at the beach. When I'm stood in front of this one, I'm actually there with my camper van, chilling. Hi. Look at this. It's so cute. I don't think I'm going to get over it for at least a week. Okay, so I thought I would show this to you guys because I used it to design the gallery wall and it helped me so much. So over on the Desenio website, you can create your own gallery wall before you actually make the order. So you basically click on this and then you choose your background that looks the most like your background. So I went for this one because obviously we're putting it above the sofa. You can even pick what wallpaper you have behind it, and then you can pick your design that you want to go for, and then you can just click on each print and choose your print that you want to potentially put there, and you just scroll through all of them. And yeah, I just found that so helpful because it meant that I could see what it looked like before I actually bought it. So if you guys saw my other moving vlogs, you might have seen the one where we were thinking about putting these shelves up, but then we decided we didn't like them and we were going to get some shelves that didn't have these bits on them. However, when I uploaded that, I got so many comments saying that actually it looked really nice with these, and then we tried sort of like positioning it again and we were like, actually I quite like it as well. So I think we're going to put them up after all. We couldn't really find anything better, could we?
Not really.
It's surprising how hard it is to find, just nearly put my eye out, to find like a piece of wood that you can just put in the wall. Floating shelves in this kind of wood were impossible to find, weren't they? So yeah, I gave up and we are going to put these up after all, and I think we're going to put them in a line so it kind of looks like a ladder shelf, but a floating ladder shelf, if you get what I mean. It might not even look good. This is quite a risk because I don't actually know if it's going to look good, but fingers crossed. Oh, and I also have something really nice to put on it. So the shelves are now up and I think they're cute. I actually do think they look really cute. They're not the best quality in the world because they were reduced, but I think we've made it work, and I'm gonna put my first item on the shelf. Oh, there we go. I honestly love this plant so much. It was from IKEA and it was so cheap, but I think it looks amazing. I wasn't sure if it was going to be bad quality because it was really cheap, and it came in the post, so I was like, is it going to be all squashed? But I love it. I think it's so good. Like, you wouldn't think that that was plastic. It looks so real. So I might have to get some more of them to dot around the house. But yeah, I could even do with getting another one and maybe putting it down that bit. I'm not sure, but yeah, let me know if you guys have any ideas of what we can put on this shelf, because I don't really know what to put on it. I want to keep it simple, but I want to put cute things on it. So I'll definitely decorate that soon. But for now, I actually really like them. So the final thing that we have to do is put up the moon print, and I was going to put it in the spare bedroom, but I like it too much. I feel like the spare bedroom won't be used enough for it to be like appreciated, and I'm never in there, so I'll never really see it. So I want to put it somewhere that I'll see it because I love it like way more than I even thought I was going to love it. So I think we're going to put it along the stairs, not like on the stairs, on the wall along the stairs, and I think it might look quite nice there, but I don't know because I was going to put it in the spare room. And it does look really nice in the spare room. I need two. I need two of them. But yeah, I really love it. So I think we might put it on the stairs where it will be seen all the time. Every time I walk past, I'll just see the little moon, or the big moon. And I think that's a good idea. Do you think that's a good idea? Good. So where are we thinking? I like it there. See, this is when you come up the first flight of stairs, as you can see. I think that's a good little spot. Yay! I really like it. I don't think I've even shown you guys what it says on it. So the print is of a moon, and then it says La Lune, which I believe is French for the moon. I might be wrong, I'm pretty sure it is. And then it says the moon. Oh, you all right down there? Yeah. And then it says the moon, in case you didn't know what it meant. And it says, you be, I haven't actually read this yet. You be the sun and I will be the moon. Just let your light come shining through. Oh, it's like a little poem. And even in the darkest of night, just like the moon, I will shine the light right back at you. That is so cute. What a cute moon. Looks a bit like a satsuma in black and white. And this is what it looks like from the bottom of the stairs. And then every time we walk up the stairs, oh, I missed miss the step. Every time we walk up the stairs, I'm gonna be too busy looking at this that I'll probably fall back down. Thanks for all of your help today, putting everything up.
That's alright.
What an angel boyfriend.
I'll send you an invoice in the post.
Oh God. I look like a right mess, but I'm just gonna end this vlog now. Oh my goodness, what is going on with my hair? I'm just gonna end this vlog because I think we've done enough stuff for today. It's been really fun though, and the living room is definitely starting to come together, and I'm absolutely loving it. Like, I just love the living room so much. So yeah, what's the next vlog? The next vlog is gonna be my office filming room transformation, like that kind of thing. So hopefully you guys enjoy that as well. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Don't forget, if you want to go and buy any prints over on the Desenio website, to use my discount code Sophie Louise and you'll get 25% off, and I'll leave their website linked below as well. So definitely go and check them out. They've got so many different things on there, and I'm sure there's something that you'll like. Thanks for watching this vlog. Give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and if you're excited for the next one where we do my office finally, because I'm really excited about that one. But yeah, thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys very, very soon. Goodbye.